This is another desensitization test with any dog. The leaf blowers are using a leaf blower on the gutters, and I had put Scout in his crate right before they showed up. It's a little bit quieter now, but you can see by his posture, he's not sure who they are, why they're out there, why they were banging on the roof. And this is good to know if you go out and leave your dog home. Now they're going to come around the back. And he looks scared. I've been saying safe. Scout. Scout. Safe. 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 You know, and the poor thing looks worried. Safe. Safe. Those are good guys. Those are good guys. Good guys. Good guys. See? Safe. They're safe. It's okay. It's all right. You're fine. What a good boy. What a good boy. Thunderstorms, tornado warnings, hurricanes. So you need to be aware of this when it happens and take some precautions. With Coco, we used to get in the hallway and she would have a harness on, and we would just stay in the hallway during the storm. He knows his crate is safe. Coco did too. She was just a different dog, and he's only been here a few weeks. So I'm finding out about him as much as he's reacting to his new environment. Scout, safe. 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 You're safe. You're safe. He doesn't really believe me right now, do you? But you're safe. You're all right. And when they can't see, like these guys are using ladders and they're up on the roof and he can't see them. And that's a certain posture dogs have where they're just listening. Where is he? Where's that guy? Where's that guy? What a good guy. Is he a good guy? He's a good guy. Part of training a service dog is having them recognize good guys from bad guys. Safe. Want to lie down? Lie down? Lie down. You're all right. Lie down. Lie down. Imagine what they go through in shelters when, you know, granted they may have a bigger room than a crate. In a shelter pen is usually like 5 feet by 5 feet at least, but they're all by themselves on cement. You all right? What a good boy. What a good boy. Come on, lie down. Lie down. Ultimately, you want them to really not pay attention to it unless they sense danger. And that's where a dog's senses come in, and it's not just a reaction to fear or noise or a new experience, but they actually can tell the difference between a good event and a bad event. And that comes with age and experience. So this is a learning experience for him, and I'm telling him he's safe. Safe. So this is important to do with your dog, no matter what kind of a dog or what you're training them for. but he still has this worried look on his face. You're still worried, you silly dog. You silly dog. Safe. Safe. Now, you can say something like, all gone. All gone. Are they all gone? All gone. Are they all gone? And have a conversation with them. Do you see them? Where are they? All gone. The good part is when they first showed up, he was barking quite a bit. And one of the main joys of a dog is protection. So if they were bad guys, they're going to know there's a dog in here, and that makes a difference. Look at what a good boy. Now he's starting to relax. Just by the look on his face, which I don't know if the camera is picking up. There he is. There's a good boy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say we're fine. We're fine. All gone? All gone. All gone. They're all gone. They're all gone. Lie down. Lie down. You're fine. And this is also a reaction. Now he looks drowsy. I mean, every dog that goes through this, no matter how old they are or why they're going through it, they then relax. And he'll look drowsy, and he'll lie down, and he'll think about it. Huh. Lie down. You don't have to sit in a corner. You don't have to sit in a corner. Now, I could let him out and hug him and reassure him that way, but if he's not positive that it's a safe situation, that also could lead to him reacting even worse because he feels less safe. Right? You're learning a lot today. Huh. Lie down. Be a good boy. Lie down. So he'll do that when he feels comfortable enough to do that. A day in the life.